Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the habits that help me lose weight. You might find some helpful recipes, meal prep ideas and tips that help manage weight and to improve your lean body mass in general. So you might find a kid's recipe as well included because a mom's life just doesn't stop with one person alone. So if you're new here on my channel and if you enjoy healthy recipes and kids recipes, there's an entire playlist you're free to check out, and I would love to have you all subscribe to this channel. That means a lot to me. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Can you guys see that sunrise happening just behind me? It's so beautiful. Anyway, being a weekend morning, it is far different from that of my weekday, but I still prefer to wake up a little earlier than my kids and my husband, just because when at this point of time it is so silent and I feel so positive, and if this part of the day just goes off, if I don't make use of this, I feel like the whole day slips off. So come along, let's do things together. Now I don't want to come across that being an early riser is extremely important and you can't get away with that. That's not the case. Getting that 7 to 8 hours of sleep is extremely important, and I make sure to get that. If I don't get that on one particular day, I'll make sure to make up for it in the next day or in the afternoon. So sometime whenever I can do it, I'll make sure to get it. As much as we think of doing something else and we feel that it's a waste of time, it is not actually the case. Now I'm trying to make a morning drink, and getting that first thing in the morning is also an important part of how you start your day. You set your tone with the first thing that you have on an empty stomach. I have shared in other videos as well that I try to alternate between the morning drinks. So today I'm having my glass of water and some lemon juice. So this is about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this is some chia seed powder that I had ground and kept. Gonna be getting over, but I'll add about 1 tablespoon of that. Now chia seeds is a good source of antioxidants, good source of fiber, so that's why I just powder and keep. It makes it easier. And lime juice again is a good source of vitamin C. So this is a good drink to have the first thing in the morning if you are planning on a weight loss journey or generally to live a healthy lifestyle. Also, one more reason why I drink it is because chia seed is a good source of calcium, and I don't drink coffee, tea or milk in the morning. So this will make sure that I'll have the enough calcium as a daily requirement as a part of my day. So let's go to the deck. That is my favorite part as well in the mornings. Let me take you there. The chia seed powder doesn't dissolve, so make sure to consume it inside and don't just leave it in the glass. I read this somewhere the other day that sunshine is my favorite beauty accessory. So getting that sunshine on our faces, getting that vitamin D absorbed is also such a good thing to do. Nothing can beat what the nature gives us, right? And also I wanted to make sure to tell this to you as well. At this point of time, I have the luxury to get this time off in the mornings, on the weekends, as I said. So I make sure to take some time off and think about what I'm grateful for at that moment. I've been doing this recently and it has made a huge difference. I would suggest that you to do this. At least 2 things that you're grateful for right at this moment of time. And it just needn't be like family. We're all thankful for family. Something else that you're grateful for right at this moment that you can think of. So more and more things that come in your mind every single day, you'll be grateful for more number of things, and that is what we all want, right? We want to be happy for a lot of things. So I would be very happy if you comment down below at least 2 things that you are thankful for. And it needn't be living things alone, it can be non-living things as well. So right now, at this moment, what I'm thankful for, okay, let's take this. Look at those tomatoes right there. I know some part of this plant is drying off here, but all I'm giving this is just water, and what is this giving back to me? It's beautiful tomatoes. So I'm thankful for this tomato plant. And one more thing that I'm thankful for is this camera. Okay, Because of this, I'm able to connect with you and share with you my journey, and I'm thankful for this camera. So those are my two things right now. Do let me know what is yours. Okay, and just take some time off. You really need it. Okay, we're in our basement right now, and no more sitting simply and calm and relaxed. It's time for workout. Worry that any mom has during a weight management journey or weight loss journey is how to manage the foods. One question that I get asked is, do you prepare different recipes for different people? How do you do that? So it's not always the case. For example, today I just wanted to show you my kids. Yesterday Anjali was telling she needs a French toast. She wanted to eat a French toast, and so today I'm going to be making some special French toast for them, which I will show you. But for me, I don't want to be eating that right now. If I do feel like, I do take a bite, but that's not the case always. Just that I don't want to be eating such a rich buttery breakfast early in the morning right now that I have done my workout. So that is just being mindful. I'm not restricting myself, but that is just being thoughtful about your own work and how you want to treat that as. So some of the things that I have in my fridge are some prepped things that you all know how I like to meal prep. And so I have some boiled quinoa here. So if you prep some things and keep in advance, it will not be a huge task to make recipes here and there for yourself as well as for your entire family. So it is just a matter of meal prep. So let's make some quinoa patties. It's really yummy, it's protein rich, and this is something that you can give your kids as well. But since they wanted to have French toast, I'll give a bite of French toast as well as this, try to match both the things. So let's make it. I'm really hungry. Let's start. Yeah, this is one more thing that I like to do in advance and keep. So then you can just saute the onions and the garlic and also the grated cucumber and carrot, all the vegetables that you want to be using for the patty, and just saute it for a few minutes. I'll be using eggs in this recipe. So if you are a vegetarian and want a substitute, for 1 egg you can use 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder. Crush the flax seeds and use 1 tablespoon of that to 3 tablespoons of water. Keep it ready into a flaxseed meal. So you have to prepare that in advance and keep it. And I'm going to be using 4 eggs in this recipe, so use it accordingly to 4 eggs, because I'm going to be making a big batch of that and freeze it. So that will be easier for me for a good protein rich snack in case the kids need it any other days. So for this week, I'm going to prepare that in advance and keep. So if you're preparing, use the proportions accordingly. So this is for 1 carrot and 1 zucchini and 1.5 cups of quinoa. Add in the eggs. So in case you're adding the flaxseed meal, add it at this time and just let it stay. Time for kids' breakfast.
How does that breakfast look like?
And the molder.
Strawberry.
Okay.
Love you, strawberry. love you, strawberry. I love you, strawberry.
I love you.
I love you. Yum, yum, yummy. Toast, toast, toast. Strawberry.
Only on the white part, okay?
Then prepare the French toast as usual. You can prepare these stuffed French toast with peanut butter jelly sandwiches as well. Those also taste really good. So these can improve the calorie density of simple breakfast dishes that you can serve your kids.
So this is going to be my breakfast. One of this just looks small, but it's full of protein and it's very filling, along with a little bit of avocado. This should take less than 15 minutes of your time. I took a little longer because I want to freeze the entire batch, but again, when you have it, this week is going to be a little more easier for me when I have some protein rich snack ready. And for the kids breakfast, again, it takes less than 10 minutes to make that stuffed French toast. Kids are happy, I'm happy, everyone is happy, so that's what we want. This one that I got yesterday, ate half of it, and using the cling wrap I wrapped it, so it's staying good enough, I think. Yeah. Okay, so it's lunchtime now, and I already have some sambar in the fridge, which I'm going to heat up, and the kids are going to have that with rice. I'll also prepare one more side dish. Right now I'm not that hungry. I feel that the quinoa patty was really filling, and after that there's not much activity that I've done anyway. It's just sitting and talking with my family, and it's an early lunch today, so we're just going to have a salad right now. And this is something that I'm adding to my salad. These are coconut flakes. Keep this ready in advance, so I'll show you how I prep this today.
Again, this can be prepped and stored in advance.
I'm gonna add a little bit of soya sauce.
You can use this as an alternative for breadcrumbs in salads.
A little bit of apple cider vinegar.
I'm gonna add the maple syrup.
Just drizzle a little bit, okay?
I'm gonna have yogurt.
Okay, this is what we're gonna bake in the oven at 350°F for about 10 minutes, but make sure to keep an eye on it while waiting on the oven to be preheated. And if you have at least 5 to 10 minutes of time, then you might like to try this. You're going to feel it if you do it. I've already shared with you how much I like these purple cabbage and how useful this can be.
Having boiled sweet corn ready in the fridge is also helpful, as it's a good source of probiotics.
Another thing that I like to have are these cauliflower florets, the frozen ones, and these are steamable. So I'm going to have this into my salad, and my husband also wants to have some salad, so we're gonna have that, and the rest of it I'm gonna be using it for the kids for their cauliflower makhani. So these are really helpful. It saves a lot of time, and these are steamable bags, so you just have to, yeah, it says this side up, so you just have to pop it in the microwave for about 5 to 6 minutes, and those will be done.
Cooking salad this today, so after this day.
I was craving for this freshness of a salad, and the only thing that I consider while making a salad is to just make it colorful, and Anjali is helping me fix this today.
Yummy.
This one will make it for the kids. Let's add in the masala powder.
Then I'll saute the marinated cauliflowers in a little bit of butter and then keep it aside. Also, I'll saute some onions, and then I'm using some tandoori paste here, so this helps it make the dish really quick. And then add in back the cauliflower, a little bit of water, and then the yummy dish is ready.
For the salad dressing, I'm going to use some curd and some mayonnaise and some spicy mustard.
Let's Let's stir it so well so we can see which color does it make.
I'm gonna add in a few walnuts. I don't want to overdo it. Even that has lots more calories. And this is the roasted coconut flakes that we made. How is it, Anjali? What's your favorite ingredient in this?
All of them.
One, pick one.
Let's see.
The coconut flake?
I'm going to like the crunchy parts. It makes a lot of sound. We gotta taste first. This is the most yummiest salad. You have to try this out today.
It's really yummy. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and please do share this video with at least one friend of yours who might find some content in this video useful. And I'll see you all in my next one. Take care and bye.